do if you've forgotten your eBay password. If you're unable to log in into your eBay account, then in order to recover your account, what you should do is first of all go ahead and open up your website or a web browser, and on the search box type in signin.ebay.com/signin. It's gonna take you to the sign up or sign up field. Here you could go ahead and tap on the email address like that and click the continue button located right at the bottom. And then when you've done that, it's going to direct you to the page where you can go ahead and enter in your password. So what you have to do is when you have forgotten your password, you could go ahead and press on the link that says need help signing in. It's going to take you to the other field where you can go ahead and reset your password. So according to eBay, they'll be able to send you a verification code either through an email or a text. So you have to select or confirm one of these procedures. So I'm going to go with the email, and when you open up the email, you'll be able to receive a verification code which you have to go ahead and enter in and click the continue button. As you do that, you'll be able to make changes with your password. So that's basically how you can change your password or reset your password if you've forgotten. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.